Hi friends, today I will teach power series. Power series. So I will define what is power series. What is the definition of power series? So power series is an infinite form of a series such that summation an x minus c power n equal to 1 to infinity. That is n equal to 1 a1 x minus c. Next term is a2 x minus c, etc. Continuing in this way, in some stage we got ak x minus c power k, but it is not ending. It also continuing this way. This is the form of power series. Power series is a series, infinite series, where each of the an is called, this an is called coefficient of power series. This an is called coefficient of power series. One of the important thing is, in the case of power series, summation an x minus c power n equal to 1 to infinity. This is a power series. So each of these an is called the coefficient of power series, and each of the an is independent of x. Okay, this is the one of the important thing. Each of the power series coefficients is independent of x, and it can be expressed as function of n, but it is independent of x. We can write it as an equal to 1 by n, otherwise 1 by n factorial, 1 by n square, etc. But it is independent of x. It should be independent of x. So this form, infinite series form, is called power series. Okay. So power series is an x minus c power n. This is a power series around c. This is a power series around c. So we can find power series around 0. How? C will be 0. So we can write such power series is summation an x minus 0 power n. That is summation an x power n. That means equal to 1 to infinity. So a1x plus a2x square, a3x cube, etc. So this is the infinite series. This is the power series around 0. Each of the polynomial can be rated as the form of power series. How? We will take x square, 2x square plus 3x plus c. This is a polynomial because its degree is finite. Degree is 2. So this polynomial can be written as power series. How? We can write it as 2x square c plus 3x plus 2x square plus 0x cube plus 0x power 4 plus 0x power 5 plus etc. So all other coefficient of power series is 0. So we can write every polynomial can be written as power series form. Okay. Next, so I will give some of the power series example. So we can write 1 by 1 minus x. We already know that 1 by 1 minus x can be written as 1 minus x power minus 1. That is equal to 1 plus x square plus etc. So this is a infinite series. So this is power series. Each of the coefficient is 1. Next thing is e raised to x. E raised to x is a power series. E raised to x can be written as 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus etc. So it can be generally written as summation n equal to 1 to infinity x power n by n factorial. So e raised to x is also a power series. 1 by 1 minus x is also a power series. So these are the examples of power series. Okay. So you should remember that one the negative power will not be power series. That is, we say 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 plus x square. This is power series. Plus continuously this way. This is a power series. But 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square plus this negative powers is not the form of power series. This is the important thing. Okay. And an should be independent of x. So some of the remarks I will say, I conclude here. The power series is summation an x minus c power n equal to 1 to infinity. Some of the infinite series of the form summation n equal to 1 to infinity an x minus c power n is called power series around c. So we can take c equal to 0, c equal to 1 and any number we can take. But you remember that an should be independent of x. Second thing is x minus c power n. This variable x minus c power is not negative power. Negative powers of x or x minus c is not permitted. Okay, negative powers of x, that means x minus c 1 by x minus c 1 by x minus c square. This is not possible in the case of power series. Next, third remark is the irrational powers are also not permitted. Irrational powers of x is also not permitted. That means x power half is not permitted. X power half is not permitted. Sorry, rational powers. Fraction powers is not permitted. Okay. Fraction powers is not permitted. So an should be independent of x. Negative powers is not permitted and fraction powers is not permitted. These three remarks satisfied infinite forms, infinite series called power series. Summation x minus c power n is called power series around c. E raised to x, 1 by 1 minus x, sin x, cos x. These are some of the example of infinite series. E raised to x can be written as summation x power n by n factorial. 1 by 1 minus x can be written as 1 plus 1 by x, 1 plus 1 x plus x square plus etc. Sin x can be written as x plus x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial. Similarly, cos x can be written as 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial, etc. So these are the example of power series. I think all of you understand what is the power series. This is the definition of power